Hello. Sophos Firewall. How to forward ports on a Sophos Firewall. Hosts and services. First, name the destination IP address. Name the destination server. Target server IP. IP version 4. Type IP. 172.16.16.100. Save. Target server IP. Next, name the port you want to forward. Services. Add. Name your service. Name remote desktop. Remote desktop control. Type. Protocol TCP. Destination port. 3389. Save. Complete. After completing the above two steps, proceed to forward the port to the destination IP address. Rules and policies. Add firewall rule. Server access assistant. Internal server IP address. Select the destination server IP address. Public IP address. WAN interface. Select the external port of the firewall. Port B. Next, services. Select the service named in the previous step. Remote desktop. Apply. Next. Any. Next. Review. The above are the steps for port forwarding on the Sophos Firewall. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.